So I've got the idea all out on the board already. So we're going to have a nice sunset and foreground, some water here. So I'm bringing you down to the palette now, we can get started. I've got some craft paint down here with the retarder, so we can get that all mixed up and then start getting that sky primed up.
Turn the brush around, mix it right, don't be scared to mix it. That's plenty what you got. Push it all around, everywhere. Push it where you feel there's blank spots. And now just slightly stroke it left and right. That's it. And go back down again. Control that brush. Feel it on that canvas, and that's it.
Got my sky colours here now. I got the Indian yellow, red gold, and a Lindsay crimson.
Other side as well. Bomb, don't be shy.
Now I'll get some colours on there, make it look all nice.
Down the bottom you want it heavy yellow. At the tape. Start there. Yeah, bomb it in.
Get some red gold on my brush now. Get that going.
Don't worry about the white side, come down to the yellow. That's it. Get the brush on its edge. Pick up some more red gold. Get the brush on its edge this way. No, the other way. Yeah. Down a bit lower and then bring it into that yellow because you're fading away from where it's meeting the yellow. Yeah. You want that colour down to the yellow, not faded. A bit more in the brush. Get more in the brush. Don't worry up there.
Get some Lindsay crimson on my brush now. It's a bit of a tongue twister, that one.
Down, don't go any higher. Curve it around at the edges.
Bit of that white off. I'll just darken the top now. Get some phthalo blue on my brush now.
Do one foul sweep right across the top. Up the top.
Let's get some titanium white now on my brush for the sun. And every time I do this as well, I want to wash my brush so I don't contaminate my little blends I've got going on.
Don't do too much in the, get that, make it blur and smear and all that happen. You want to virtually do one out this way a bit. And now I'll just do this little bit here. See this brush? Grab this. Once you're going, all you do is this, Rhys, watch. You're just twisting and making turmoil, see? And you look, wipe it,
Smoothing it.
see what that's doing. But you want to start from here first. You can probably try and bring something here from that, but there you go.
Got me towel and me brush to blend.
You got one of my brushes there, eh?
I suppose it's yours, but it's
Alright.
mine for now.
Just tap. You love choking the brush, ain't you, son? Put some more white where that dark colour went and intensify the middle.
I quite like that. I'll probably soften that a bit more. Just going to put some higher clouds up in the sky now. Probably here.
Up. Bring that up, all the way up to...
I'm blending up instead of down.
Yeah, leave the bottom there and blend it. Just taps and twists and slides and see what it's doing. Break a little bit of the bottom row so it's not so... Yeah, here and there, just like that. That's it.
I'll add some on the top right.
Yeah, see that porthole's good.
There's a portal.
See, have you got that gap there? It looks good. That's
Yeah.
it. From the top down. Wipe it, wipe it. Wipe it again. See this? Give that a push out that way and watch what it does. Push it heavy. Yeah, so that's it. And then just get rid of that stupid edge. That's fine.
Just adding a little bit more detail up here. Just a bit.
That's it.
I just might add a little random bit in there.
There's a bit of practice involved in blending, isn't there?
Just drying it now.
You're only going to dry near the tape area, Rhys. All along that tape.
Just going to get the tape off now and reveal our nice line.
It'll come off in one go. There you go.
Just got some burnt umber and black mixed up to create a nice dark oak kind of colour.
Turn it around, use the other side while you've got it there. You've got to cover that white.
Yeah, I got the little horizon sort of detail in there, and I get it blocked in the solid colour. Getting it all in there. Got some, I think this is yellow ochre or yellow oxide. You get that for the sort of middle foreground. The shoreline, I mean.
And just scrunch the bottom down to the white.
Get that off.
No, keep going. You've got to keep painting more. You've got plenty more to paint, yeah. Yeah, paint it into the bottom line there. That's it. That's it. Don't go too far past that line though.
Once I've got this in there how I like, I can add the water in there next. Just using the same colours I used for the sky for the water.
Yeah, press hard. Don't be shy, press hard. That's it. Yep. Keep pressing and just slightly to there. Beautiful. Yeah, look at that, see? Beautiful, Trent. I love that colour there. Yeah, keep pressing hard. That's good. Go across again. Yeah, beautiful. Now you can blur the bottom half down a bit. Full strokes, not backwards and forwards. You get stuck. That's it. Now pick up, wipe your brush. Well, don't go to now. Wipe your brush and grab the yellow gold.
Red gold.
Red gold. Start from the bottom and bring it to that. Doing full strokes look nice. You'll see the difference. Full strokes. Press hard. Have control of that brush and yeah, flick it the next way. Look at that. See, you got the sky colours in your water.
A bit darker at the bottom.
Now wipe your brush, and then you can put it on its flat, and then lightly do just the water. All the way across. Heavier, a bit heavier. Go find them. Keep going until you're mixing them together. Beautiful. Up, go up. That's it. Okay, now you can add some white, Rhys. Wherever you feel you're painting it. A bit harder. Break those, put more on your brush. Put more white on your brush. And then you can break these colours up with it and then blend it in. That's it. Now blend that across, flatly across. Nice. That's it, don't overdo it.
Get the shimmering on there now. Hopefully this works out well.
And you'll have it more intense in the middle. Don't be shy with it, just get it all the way across here. Go a bit closer so you won't get it all the way up there. Yeah, just go for it, you'll feel it once you go. And then you can put the green in all this foliage now, and we'll bring that forward over the shoreline there for you, Rhys.
Yeah.
All right.
Got some forest green and cad yellow mixed up to create whatever green it is I have now.
And dab, dab, dab. Remember me old mate Len Hen? Dab, dab, dab. Dab, dab, dab.
Is that what he said?
Yeah, dab, dab, dab. Yeah, that's looking good in the cameras. Swing pendulum down to that darker shadow area. Don't do a line, let it swing down, you know. Load your brush up, don't try to load your brush up. And every painting you do is like a learning lesson where you'll look at it and realise where you can up your ante or where you got a hold on things. I'll see there. See what you got here, some lines, try and let them not happen if you can help it. So, put some more lines in. Look at that, boom, boom, all dabs into all over the place. Lead pockets are black as well. Now see how your brush is tilted to the left always? Bring it the other way as well, swing it, pendulum it.
Just dry it up so the other colour can stick a bit better, so it's not just going muddy and combining together.
Oh yeah. Yeah, beautiful. Dab, 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 the forest. Forest is getting hit by light. Just pocket, you don't have to go over the whole lot like you did with that other green. This side here, you want to sort of have these bowing into that side of the painting. See how you got them ones coming that way? Bring it from the left and bow into the middle. Don't overdo it. That's pretty much it. That's it.